Of course, it's all in hand. We'll just see where this all goes to and where this aeroplane and the situation takes us to.
See?
That side of the other police car down there.
Oh, yeah, true.
A little bit.
So what's it? We're going to make a move?
The underpinners are pretty cool. Now, these are members of the Tauranga AOS. And closely followed by members of the elite dog section.
Wait, what's happening?
Our dog handlers in this town, we've got champion dog handlers, and we're lucky to have.
My goodness.
Oh, the Turks just...
Go Turk! Get up, Turk! Get up! Oh, look at that.
Not all Turks, eh? But you see? He's also wearing the dog as well.
So, when a dog grabs hold of an offender like that, what is the goal? What is the dog trying to do?
The dog's primary object is to just hold him and wait for the handler to come in.
Yeah.
The AOS come in, secure him, dog handler, make sure he's not armed, keep him under control. And
He's not wanting to let go, is he? Oh, he's good boy, Turk. Bring him across the runway.
It's really heavy, so watch your
and that is a big man.
See the man in blue? The dog's got him, see?
Put on a little bit of beef.
See the dog with him?
He's trying to pitch the airplane.
Now,
we have just heard that the pilot is a detective sergeant.
oh, that's him.
That's him.
On the airfield, I know exactly who. I won't say his name.
Yeah.
Bad offender, we will deploy 2 dogs on.
I mean, he's stuffed. Those 2 dogs have got him absolutely stuffed.
Well, that's
Busy section.
Nothing.
Oh, that's amazing. Like, Turk, champion.